90% of students are going to fail this question on the screen right now, but I'm going to show you exactly how it can be done without any hassle. The question starts off by saying a solution contains 10 grams of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 250 cm cube of solution. Calculate the molarity of the solution. Now, first things first, let's understand what molarity means. Molarity is simply the number of moles of a solute contained in 1 liter or 1 dm cube of solution. And the formula for calculating the molarity of any solution is given by M is equal to N divided by V, and it is measured in moles per dm cube. So the first thing to calculate at this point will be the number of moles. What are the number of moles of sodium hydroxide? We were not given directly, but we can calculate the number of moles using the relation N is equal to M all over mm. Now, M here stands for the mass of the substance, and mm over here stands for the molar mass. So let's calculate the number of moles for sodium hydroxide. The mass is given as 10 grams from the question, as you can see over here, and the molar mass can be calculated by using the molecular formula NaOH. Na, that's 23, plus O, that is 16, plus H, that is 1. 23 plus 16 plus 1 gives us 40. So we have 10 divided by 40. If your math is not bad, 10 divided by 40 should give you 0.25. So that gives us the value of 0.25 moles. So these are the number of moles that are contained. Now, the next thing to do would be to calculate the volume of the solution in dm cube. We have the number of moles. Now, let's calculate the volume of the solution in dm cube. We're given the volume to be 250 centimeter cube. So how do we convert this to dm cube? We simply use the relation that says 1 dm cube is equal to 1000 cm cube. So therefore, how many dm cube will be equal to 250? If we cross multiply, x will be equal to 250 divided by 1000. This gives us 0.5 as well. So that gives us 0.25, not 0.5, 0.25 as well. So now we have the values for the number of moles, and we also have the value for the volume of the solution in dm cube. And molarity is equal to number of moles divided by the volume. The number of moles is 0.25 and the volume is 0.25 dm cube. Dividing this gives us 1, and the units will be mole per dm cube. I hope you got value from this. If you did, please do well to like, share, and subscribe for more content coming your way that will be preparing you absolutely well for the upcoming examinations. See you in the next video. Thank you.